SD cards are important tools for people that take a lot of pictures like us YouTubers. I have a few of them because I like to use empty cards for every project I start and do not erase the data on them until I have finished filming, which can take over a month or longer for some of my time-lapse stuff. So I usually have 3 or 4 lined up on the edge of my desk until the videos are published. Therefore, I designed this SD card project organizer to help keep track of them because they are quite small and can easily go missing. I drew the lines in 1:1 scale in AutoCAD around 5 project pockets and raised and lined the back of the pockets to have a sunken area around the top to make it easier to retrieve the card. Then I drew the pattern parts for cutout templates, glue-up jigs, and tool guides, and cut the pattern in 1/8 inch acrylic to make the project easier with my Glowforge laser. Stamps are an easy way to add numbers to the outside of the pocket, so a small tool guide spaces the stamps out evenly. High quality vegetable tan saddle leather is very durable, even when split thin, so 2-ounce leather is used for the outside and strip of pockets, and 4 ounces used for the raised lining to add strength and make the organizer rigid and easier to use. Acrylic cutout templates are used to guide a sharp hobby knife along the edge to make the parts. The acrylic parts are nested into the center to save on the materials, and the center piece is offset 1/8 of an inch to tightly glue in the raised lining. To use the number stamps, gently case the leather with room temperature water and allow it to dry until malleable. Making an impression into 2-ounce leather is easy, so take care not to aggressively stamp the leather while it is wet or the stamp can go all the way through. Then allow it to dry completely before marking the stitching holes. The back holes will be punched through after the organizer is stitched together, and bevel the edges before coloring the leather. A small sponge works great to flood the die, but a detail brush is needed to carefully darken the numbers. The colors of dye used here are Echo Flow Red for the pockets and Charcoal Black for the outside. An acrylic top coat works great as a sealant on the back of the pocket strips. Then attach the pockets before the lining is shaped to make it easier to stitch. An acrylic glue-up jig works great to center the pockets as well as the centering of the raised lining. Then use the glue-up jigs to attach the back and stretch the leather into shape as the glue dries. A stitching clamp works great to set the stitches, then finish the edges. When the edge paint is dry, apply a little leather conditioner to soften the leather, and use a bone folder to gently open the pocket for the SD cards to fit perfectly. This high-quality handmade leather desk accessory took me about 4 hours to design and build, not including the drying times.